Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I was out today. Uh, I had some side jobs to do. Was out doing that, and I got home, and I came home to a nice surprise. Victoria had some goodies. Let's check them out. So yeah, I came in, and Victoria had some goodies. So this is the trunk and the bracket. I'm gonna get ready to mount that bracket, and then I'm gonna fit it to the bike just to see how it looks. You come over here. I got my amp today. The amp came in, the 6x9 speakers, the front speakers came in, and them handlebars, them nice ape hangers, all black. So that's what that trunk looks like. Came gloss black, the black hinges. That's gonna look nice on Victoria. A nice latch. About that. Folds open. It's got a little strap, retractable strap, liner. And then of course it comes with 3 keys. I'm feeling that. I'm really liking the look of that one. Gonna have to write a good review. All right, guys. Project Victoria Black is in full effect. I'm gonna go ahead right now and put mount the trunk to the bracket, and then put it on the bike and see how she looks. Alrighty, so there's my bolt, right? Got the bolt with some washers on that side. And then underneath, what I ended up doing was cutting this little material out so that when this sets on top of that, there's some protection between the metal and the plastic. And I don't know, I just was worried about vibration or maybe it damaging it, but hopefully this will give it a little protection. So I got the touring package put on the bike, and I'm glad I went with what I went with. That trunk and the lines of the bike go hand in hand. That's the trunk sitting on the bike. I think that goes good with it. Like even in the back, how the lines are just, everything just matches. You know, even you see the V in the trunk. It's almost like the V in the light. Yeah, I like that. I like that. I'm pretty sure there ain't too many victories in Arizona that's looking like this, baby.